Hello and welcome to Long Investor. So as per my previous video, I'm going to talk about why I purchased NE and BRCC. So BRCC is Black Rifle Coffee Company. I've always known this company before. They sell coffee products and they're owned by factories. So you can see a lot of merchandise mixed with military theme. Fundamental wise, I'm not going to go for too much of the company. They have recently released earnings. It's not that bad, but it's not that great either. But what I see right now is an interesting setup. So currently we're getting some sort of a cup and handle pattern. And as I've explained in my Mullin video, it usually works better if it is on an uptrend rather than it is on a downtrend. So depending how you measure the top, so if I measure the top on this line to these few candles, so it will be around $21 and the bottom will be around $16. So there's a $5 of height which will give the target price of $26, and on a $5 height cup, the handle did not drop below 2.5 bucks, which is half. It only dropped $2. So sometimes my usual entrance is getting when it passes over the line of the cup height, so which is 21 bucks, and my cut loss will be at the bottom of the handle. So currently which is at $19, so maybe I'll set it a little bit below, maybe 18.5. And the cup and handle pattern has a 60% chance of playing out. So at 21 bucks, I either have 60% chance of hitting 26 or I'll have a 40% chance of falling back down. So it's a 60% chance of earning $5 per share or 40% chance of losing $2 per share. And as I've always mentioned, it's all about the risk reward ratio, and in currently it's kind of favorable. So although currently we're at a little bit of overbought level, and since this cup took about a month to form, so we'll look a little bit at the macro environment. So one of the risk on signal for growth stock. So junk bond has a strong support at around $100, which we did hit 2 weeks ago. And then when it had a back test and going further up, I drew a trend line, and then today we touched the trend line. So on Monday, if this continues to go up and breaks the previous high, then we will have 3 high highs and 3 high lows. So in the short term, we will be in a risk-on environment for growth stock, which will favor stock like this to be going up higher. So that is the reason why I got into BRCC. And as for any, as you know, is a crypto stock, and all crypto stock follow Bitcoin movement. And 2 days ago, when Bitcoin was at 47K, I was saying that it's getting rejected by the 2000 days moving average. It almost stayed to hit back the 44K support level, which it did happen in the morning. And also, any has the earning released yesterday. It's not great and it's not too bad. But one thing that caught my eye is that they have some kind of cooperation with Core Scientific. And as for Core Scientific, ticker symbol CORC, I have recommended in my January 16th video for stock pick for 2022. It should be CORC. I have a little typo here, has a competitive advantage against other miners. But the sad thing is, up until now, I still have not yet bought in the stock because I originally, when Bitcoin was falling, I gave a target price of 4.8. So as you can see, it only hit about 5.8, and it rallied for 100% at a time, and then the second time it rallied for 50-60%. So after the earning yesterday and this morning when Bitcoin was 44K and NE is near the trend line, so I figured I would enter a little bit at this price. So I entered at 2.08, and currently it is at 2.2 and 2.22 after hours. So ultimately I'm looking at this going back up to the gap, so which is around $6. But I think this will only happen when Bitcoin goes above 60K again. And I've also made a few videos on Bitcoin and making my bullish case based on the on-chain data, the macro environment, and the technical analysis. So if you have time, you can check those out. So the reason why I got into NE is that I'm bullish on Bitcoin, and I like how they got into a partnership with Core Scientific. So yeah, those are my reasons why I got into Black Rifle Company and NE. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you next time.